In this video, we will talk about a feature in Tally called as cost center and cost categories. So what are cost centers? I'll explain you what it is in a short while, but understand that cost centers and cost categories are more of management accounting and not core accounting. And when we say cost center, it refers to an unit of an organization to which the organization allocate its budget for its operations. So for example, understand that there is an organization and it is operating at various branches, and the organization would like to track the cost of expenses at each branch. In such situation, the branches of the organization are treated as cost centers. And similar to branches of an organization, there could be various cost centers which can be tracked for its cost and expenses. So few examples could be departments of a company like marketing department, administration department, the branches of the company, and also we can treat individuals like salesmen of an organization as cost centers. The objective of using cost centers is to measure the cost which is incurred towards various entities of an organization and measure the effectiveness of the budget allocations. In the next video, we will discuss a practical in cost centers using Tally, and that will help you understand more about cost centers.